How to open your laptop camera with Command Prompt, CMD. Open your Windows camera quickly using a simple .bat file. Steps. 1. Open Notepad. Press Windows +R, type Notepad, then hit Enter. 2. Type this command. Start Microsoft.Windows.Camera. 3. Save the file as OpenCamera.bat, or any name, but must end with .bat. How it works. The Start command launches the camera app when you run the .bat file. Bonus. You can schedule this file to run at a specific time using Task Scheduler. Follow Dr. Droid for more, tutorial link on comments section of the video.